If you are curious about how basic logic gate power all modern electronics, stick around with this video. We are about to explore AND, OR and NOT gate in the simplest possible way. Let's start with the basic of logic gate. Logic gate are the fundamental component used in digital circuit. They perform logical functions that are essential for all the digital system. It is the same logic gate which help computer to make decisions. The most common logic gate are AND gate, OR gate, and the NOT gate. First, we will see the AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate. We have two input A and B and the output. In digital system, we can have only two possible input value. One is low value, the other is high value. Low value you can also consider as 0 volt. High value you can consider as 5 volt. Low value you can also consider it as false, and for high you can consider it as true. Let's fill this table first. So as I said earlier, AND gate only output true value or 1 when both the input are true. For rest all the inputs we will only get 0 as our output. Think of it like this. Consider a light bulb. Having two switches A and B. Currently this switch is open, which also means A is having 0 input. Same for B also. Since both the input are low, no current will flow through the circuit and bulb will not glow. If either of one switch is closed, in that case also no current will flow and bulb will not glow. The bulb will glow only if both A and B are closed, which means both are having one value. In that case, the bulb will glow. This table is also called truth table. I hope you got a basic understanding of how AND gate is functioning. We can also write the output expression of AND gate. It is the multiplication of its input. You can verify the table using this expression also. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. The last we have both the input as 1, so it is 1. Now let's verify this truth table in the simulator app. I will be using Proto app. You can use other simulator app. Those are freely available in Play Store. For this video, I will stick with Proto app. As you open this app, you will have this kind of basic interface. Click on Simulate. This is the work area where you will draw the circuit. Click on this plus button. Here in the free version, you get a lot of component. So you can try this circuit as soon as you download the app. To simulate the AND gate, I will be taking few of the component. First I will take AND gate. For input I will take logic input. I will take two logic input. I will take one logic output to verify the output. I will also use LED to understand it more clearly. So I will be taking one LED also. Let's add one resistor also because we need to limit the current going through the LED. Let's arrange the input. To make the connection, you can see the dot in each of the component. Click on first dot, then click on the next dot. Now you have made a connection. Similarly, do the same thing for all the component. Drag this here. You can also rotate. I will connect this. We'll keep the rest here. Connect one end with the output of the AND gate. Here is the LED. I will rotate this. I also need a ground, so I will quickly search for the ground. This is the ground. Click on this, drag it here, make the connection. You can click on this green play button. It will start the simulation. As we have seen earlier, the AND gate will output high only when both the input are high. So select the input, click on this toggle button. This will make it high. If you click it again, this will make it low. So let's verify the truth table. First I will give low to both the input and check the output. As you can see, if both the input are low, the output is also low. Now I will make one of the input high. Let's click the first one. I will toggle it. This line turns green, which means we are giving a supply. Now one input is high, the other input is low. The AND gate is outgoing low. Now let's reverse this input. The first input will be low. Click on the second input and make it high. Still the AND gate output is low. Now I will make both the input high. Click on the first input and make it high. As you can see, the AND gate is giving the output, and we can also verify the same from this output terminal, which is showing H, which means high. You can also verify the same thing from this LED. It is glowing. If I click on any of the input and make it low, it will stop glowing. If I make both the input high again, it will glow again. So this is the basic function of the AND gate, and we have successfully verified the truth table and the working of AND gate. Like this only we will explore the other two gate in the next video. If you like this video, please give it a like, share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.